I finally got it in the mail. It's the Nazgul Evoque F6D. So yeah, let's get to it. So what you get in the package is a, what's this? Some configuration for the GPS module. You can choose to get the GPS module pre-installed or not. A bit of foam. Okay, so you get two pairs of 6-inch props by HQ Prop. I've heard that these are really good. So yeah, you get some goodies, some straps, and other goodies, a battery pad, yeah, and some other stuff, the antenna. Also get a USB-C cable to flash the firmware for the flight controller and the DJI Air unit. And then the drone itself. This thing looks pretty sick. So this is the Dead Cat drone. Looks pretty good. This is the DJI camera. It's a lot better than the Polar cameras. Has a lot better quality and shadow highlighting, which is good for night flying. And these motors look also really good. They changed the configuration of these motors to have the black color. They used to be in blue. But no, they made them in black, and it matches the drone really well because it's all black. Gives it a nice stealthy vibe. And yeah, the green TPU parts for the legs and the frame itself. And under the frame you can see the LED lighting. Oh yeah, and this is the GPS module. And here's the antenna connector and the integrated XT60 connector, which I guess makes sense because usually you have a loose cable hanging here, and if you don't connect it well, then your props might cut the wires, and yeah, that can end in a disaster. Yeah, it looks really good. I like it. It looks like a product, like well made. Okay, let's put that aside. And some other stuff. Allen key and a screw for the GoPro mount. I'm not sure what this is, like I have no idea. Maybe someone can let me know in the comments. Oh yeah, and this is just some, you know, like optic fiber, I think, to for the LED lighting. Yeah, it's nice that they give you some extra. Yeah, and then you get some stickers and I think some guides. Not sure for what it is. Oh yeah, for the Caddx Vista unit. Okay, yeah. So off camera, I already bound my controller, goggles and drone because it was my first time, but it's actually pretty easy if you have the DJI package, so the controller, the goggles and the air unit. I also don't have a extra receiver because it's all built in the air unit. It's kind of important that you connect the antenna when you boot your drone. You know, for digital systems it doesn't matter too much, especially with DJI, because they have built-in protection. Like what used to happen is if you had an analog system and you didn't connect your antenna, then you could fry your VTX basically. It's because the transmission couldn't escape from the antenna, and then it would basically heat up your components, and yeah, then it would die. So I'm gonna make sure that I screw this in, you know, just to make sure. It shouldn't matter with the DJI system, but better safe than sorry, right? Okay, that's connected. Okay. Also got some batteries from IFlight. Let's see. Okay, let's power it up. So it's a bit loud, but yeah, that's how it looks with the LED lighting. It's pretty neat that they integrate it into the frame. Also, it looks really neat. But this makes it just red. Really nice. I like it. Okay, so the drone is turned on. My antenna is connected. Usually the first thing what you do then is grab your goggles, and then you basically have to bind your goggles and the drone first. But I've already done that, so it should connect instantly. It's basically the bind button is right here. There is a red button that you can press. And for this drone specifically, it's right here. So yeah, I already got footage in my goggles, so that's bound. Then you turn on your controller. Okay, so it was beeping because my throttle was halfway. It's a safety measure, I guess. So basically when the green light shows, it means it's connected. So basically I can arm my drone now. Usually it's AUX 1 to arm your motors. So let's do that. Oh, no, that's the wrong side. And it's working. Yeah, let's be careful that we don't fry the drone. So let's disarm. Okay, so basically that's that. I'm really looking forward to making some nice footage with this drone. It's a really nice cruiser / freestyle drone, and it matches my flight style. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. So, thanks for watching, and see you next time.